This is a previous year board question from the chapter of electrochemistry. Two half-cell reactions of an electrochemical cell are given below. MnO4 minus aqueous plus 8H plus aqueous plus 5 electrons giving Mn2 plus aqueous plus 4H2O liquid. E0 value given as plus 1.51 volts. And the second equation, Sn2 plus aqueous giving Sn4 plus aqueous plus 2E minus. E0 value is plus 0.15 volt. Construct the redox equation from the two half-cell reactions and predict if this reaction favors formation of reactants or products shown in the equation. So I have rewritten the equation and we can see that there are 5 electrons. Okay, before that let us see which is the oxidation half reaction and which is the one is getting reduced. So here you can see MnO4 minus. In that we need to find the oxidation number of Mn. So if it is say MnO4 minus, let X be the oxidation number of manganese, plus oxygen is minus 2. Minus 2 into 4 equal to minus 1 is the overall charge. So X minus 8 equals minus 1. X equals, this minus 8 when it goes to the opposite side will become plus 8 equal to plus 7. So here the oxidation number of manganese is plus 7 in MnO4 minus. That is getting reduced to Mn2 plus. Now reduction happens at the cathode. So this E0 value is for the cathode. And here, and there is a difference of 5 electrons. Plus 7 is becoming plus 2. So 5 electrons. Here Sn2 plus is getting oxidized to Sn4 plus. So that happens. Oxidation happens at the anode. So this E0 value is that of the anode. Now there is a difference of 2 electrons. But in both these equations the number of electrons is different. So we need to equalize them. So what we can do is we can multiply the first equation by 2 and the second equation by 5 so that the number of electrons are the same. And now let us write the equations. When we multiply by 2, we need to make 2 the coefficient of each entity in the first equation. MnO4 minus aqueous plus 16H plus 2 into 8 plus 5 into 2, 10 electrons giving 2Mn2 plus aqueous plus 8H2O liquid. And in the next one multiply by 5. So 5 Sn2 plus aqueous giving 5 Sn4 plus aqueous plus 10 electrons. Now we can cancel out these electrons, they are the same and on the opposite sides. Now let us add these two half equations, reaction equations together. 2MnO4 minus aqueous plus 16H plus aqueous plus 5 Sn2 plus aqueous giving 2Mn2 plus aqueous plus 5 Sn4 plus aqueous plus 8H2O liquid. So that is the redox equation. 2MnO4 minus aqueous plus 16H plus aqueous plus 5SN2 plus aqueous giving 2MN2 plus aqueous plus 5SN4 plus aqueous plus 8H2O liquid. So this is the redox equation which we are asked to construct. Now something is left. We need to see if this reaction favors formation of reactants or formation of products. So how do we find that? We can do that if the E0 cell value is positive. We can see that this will go in the forward direction, that is more products will be formed. So E0 cell equals E0 of cathode minus E0 anode. Now the values are given to us: plus 1.51 volt is the E0 value of cathode, minus, here also there is a positive value, so minus plus 0.15 volt. That will give us plus 1.36 volts. So this you can see is a positive value. So this reaction favors formation of products. Positive value of E0 cell is the indicator.